So guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, another mystery unboxing. So these are the packages I purchased in eBay. So why a secret? Because I don't know what's inside. So let's unbox this and let's be surprised. Yan. So I selected this package. So okay. Like on my last vlog, so I've selected the bigger boxes. So it's unboxing time. So guys, let's open the box. So I wonder what's the content of the box. So again, thank you very much to the sellers at eBay. I think it got a lot of items inside. So let's open. It's unboxing time. So let's do this very carefully as always. Okay. So it's a surprise unboxing. Okay, so let's cut. Oh, oh! I see the first item. I think my nephew will gonna like it. Just cut out the packaging tape. Hey, wow! Kalel, I think you're gonna like this. So the first item on the box is
Play-Doh!
This is...
There's a popcorn inside.
So this is...
Play-Doh!
Play-Doh Movie Theater Snack Center. So,
I like it.
okay, you like it, Kalel?
Yeah.
So, of course, you can make out of clay, of course, Play-Doh, which is from Hasbro and Kenner before. You can make a clay. So, on this toy, you can make a popcorn as well as other snacks. So, let's flip on the back. As well as other snacks, just like French fries, French fries or hot dog or hamburger, as well as the drinks. Oh, there's also a ice cream and ice drop, and what else? So actually, it's like it's like a Play-Doh Fun Factory. So this is actually exclusive from. Okay, where is this one? Okay. So I've seen it. This is exclusive from KB Toy Store. So this version of Play-Doh is exclusive to KB Toy Store. You like it, Kalel? Let's play it later. So, okay, so you hold it. Let's unbox it.
Movie theater.
So let's
There's a
proceed
movie
to the
theater.
movie theater.
There's a movie theater snack center.
Movie theater snack center. Oh, Kalel. So let's proceed
Guys,
to the
I'm
movie
so happy.
theater. Okay, snack center.
And there's a movie card.
Okay.
There's a movie card.
Okay, just like the kid, of course.
Favorite
My
movie
nephew
card.
will be very happy when we
Go.
open this. So let's open.
What did I know? What did I?
Okay. Let's set aside the robot first. Wait, let's place the robot on the other side.
Okay.
Okay, place it in there. As well as the extractor. Okay?
There you go.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. So let's open the box.
Yay!
So inside, okay, we've got the, okay, move it yet. Wait. Okay, we've got the, let's show it to them.
Movie theater. Oh, there's a tape. There's a tape.
Okay, there's a tape, so let's remove that tape.
And there's another one.
Okay. You throw it on the trash can. Another one. Another one. Okay, this is where you're gonna, okay, of course, gonna mold the ice cream and the ice drop. Let's show it to the audience. The ice cream and the ice drop. On the other side, okay, we can, just like Fun Factory, we can extract the clay in here.
Oh, there's a clay.
So this is the,
And there's the other one.
oh, wait. Okay. Okay, so on this package, let's start with the first package. Okay, let's open. Excuse me. Okay, there's the extractor again. Let's remove
Why does that? There's a bunch of tape.
the scotch tape. Okay, alright. So, wait a minute. So this is where you're gonna, of course, extract the clay to produce to produce the popcorn. As you can see, there's the popcorn. So we're gonna place the tray in here to produce the popcorn.
And there's a popcorn.
And then there's also this is the clay.
Wait!
Yeah. Okay, there's the popcorn,
Clay.
which is actually a Play-Doh. A Play-Doh.
This is
can.
the same.
There's also a slushy. Okay, slushy. Then, you can see it. The slushy and the popcorn.
And there's other one. Here.
Wait. And then there's two more cans of, wait!
There's a two
There's two more cans of Play-Doh.
Play-Doh cans.
Okay. Okay, on the other package, wait, Alin. You place the cans. You place the cans here. Okay. You hold. Okay. So, on the next package, you place the cans. This is the another wait so another extract. I think this is another extractor. You can place it in here, and the other one, so this is what you're gonna place, just like a Fun Factory. You need to, wait, Kalel, I'm showing to the audience the extractor. you need to insert.
This is the shape.
Okay, just like that.
Oh,
Oh, you please. You got it. You got it. And then, you're gonna place the clay in here to extract it on the... Wait! Okay, you need to place the clay in here and
okay.
then to extract the clay.
This is the shape.
There are various shapes. And aside from that, there's a
What's this?
cutter.
Tractor.
Cutter. Cutter.
And there's
And
a
aside from that, you've
Yes.
also got the
and there's a
a
drink.
molder for the drinks. So additional is that a popcorn and then a hot dog and a hot dog buns. So you've also got this is where you're gonna place the
French
Okay.
fries.
a French fries.
French
A
fries.
French fries. And then they also got the... Oh, wait! Don't open. Also got the...
Huh?
for the nachos. Can you see it? The nachos.
Oh, there's a play. Now
And
playing.
then there's... Now playing Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Now playing
Play-Doh movie.
Movie theater. Also got another version.
This is the movie Double.
Okay.
The
Okay, Play-Doh. Now playing.
movie. You can choose the movies.
Okay, you can choose the movie.
We can choose a movie with Play-Doh.
Okay.
So,
So that's the Play-Doh movie theater snack center. Okay. Oh, wait, Kalen. Excuse me. Okay, let's place that. Okay.